Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I just had an amazing live session. I will get to the trading style. I will get to all this good stuff. How much money or money we lost. You'll see later. After, but before we get to that, if for some reason you lost this live session, probably you are not subscribed to my channel. Probably you have not turned the bell notification on, or you're not following me in Discord, because yes, every time I'm live in YouTube, I'm also live at Discord. And the nice thing with Discord is that there we have zero lag and it's crystal clear, better sound, everything is better over there. Plus you have a good community over there that you can join and talk together with, okay? So you find a link for Discord below. And also, make sure you use the same broker like me. You find a link below the video for that broker, and you also find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. That's something. So if you deposit $100, well, you get 300. If you deposit 200, you get 600, and so on. Completely up to you. So with that, now let's get to the results of this trading session we just had and how much money. Yes, we made money. So let's see how much money we made. So let's go over here now and take a look. Basically, first, before we get to how much money we made, I'll show you how I'm trading. Let's see if we can find one that was nice there. Yes. So, for example, up here, let's say we figure out that this will be an area. I would then mark this one with a red. Before I take a line like this, I check out the trend, I check out many things. So we have a very high probability of winning. But let's say we are trading up here now, then I make it with a red call like this. That means if he come up to this red one here, we will then push down, okay? So in this case now, for example, we would have pushed down. Would that have taken here? No, we would have checked the trend, we'll check many things. This was just for you to show. And the same in the bottom, if we were down here and I would see that this would be a nice air trade, I would then have this one to be a green one, and if the bar in that case come down to this one here, we would just push up. So basically we just keep to the color scheme that we're using. So green is up, red is down. Bluish is like up here. Let's say here I was thinking, right? Then I would wait for one test. In this case, I would not have taken because you see he broke right straight through it. Also, we always are looking at the trends. So we do see, we do have some type of trend going upwards here now. And if we see we have a trend, we are always very careful. So you see here now, that is one reason I will not have taken the trend here, because when you have a trend going upwards, a trend can break us through a resistant line like you see up here. So this one, no, we will not take it, because before I start to think about taking trades, we put up all the lines just so we have the highest of the highest win rate. Okay, so this I make very easy. Today we had the 6 trades. Actually, we had 7. One I did not take myself all the way in the end, and that's the one people lost on. So for the people that did copy me today, they had 7 trades and they lost 1, but they had 6 winners. Okay, in my case, I had 6 winners. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I made a profit of, let's calculate this now. We have 3 multiplied with 93, 93 multiplied with 3, then we have a 78 plus 78 plus 78. So I made a profit of 513. Also, you can see every time I take a trade, I get some cash back. So let's push that and move that over to the balance here. There. So we got ourselves $12 there, plus $12. So we have our profit today did end up at $525. How amazing is that? So once again, make sure you join me in Discord and make sure you join me on this broker. And If you want to copy me with real money, then make sure you use the promo code. But you're free to just join with a demo account also, if that's what you want. You should maybe start with a demo account first, just to see if you manage to follow my trades. And when you manage that, you can then go in with real money. But that is completely up to you how you want to do it with that. Also, I do, not always, but I do have a second live session that is on another broker. That is broker number 2 you find below the video. So if you want to join me there also, there you receive a super account where I give 60% of my own affiliate code back to you. So if you have an account there from before for the second broker, make sure you use the link below, because then you are also receiving some cashback every single Monday. Okay, so that's something to think about. So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you on the live stream tomorrow so we can trade on this broker together and let's print some money together. Okay, so that, have an amazing day.